You can download the arts in the video for free, link in the description. For top-down acceleration and friction, that is frame rate independent, go to a player script. Inside, we'll add 3 constants. A constant is the same as a variable, but its value can't be changed during runtime. Inside the built-in physics process function, we will create a variable called input. This will tell us the direction that the player is trying to move towards. This variable will return a -1, 0, or 1 in either axis based on the input being pressed, and calling normalized ensures that the diagonal movement is the same speed as the horizontal or vertical movement. For both axes, we create a variable for the lerp weight, then we set the respective velocity axis to a lerp, which smoothly moves the first value towards the second at a speed of the weight. This second value is simply direction multiplied by max speed. As for the weight, we first need to decide whether we want to use acceleration or friction. We do this based on if input, meaning if input is not equal to 0, then we use acceleration, otherwise we use friction. And we make this negative because we want to move towards max speed each frame, not away from it. Delta is the amount of time passed since the previous frame, so to make this frame rate independent, we must multiply by delta, which scales the weight by our actual frame time and can help handle frame spikes. Exp is an exponential function that returns the mathematical constant of e to the power of whatever's inside the bracket. This tells us the exact fraction of the speed change that we should apply this frame. And finally, we do 1.0 minus the exponential function to turn what remains into what we actually apply this frame, because we need the amount to apply, not the amount that remains. For example, if the exponential were to return 0.9, then we must do 1.0 minus the exponential to provide 0.1, which is the fraction of the total speed adjustment that we should apply to the lerp, moving us 10% closer to max speed this frame. Now you have a simple acceleration and friction system that you can add to any of your 2D top-down games. And don't forget that you can check out the project files, link in the description.